Thank you to Mr. Clancy's grade 3-4 class. Fantastic job with multiplication tables. 5 times 5. Now I hear they're going to work on area, which is the amount of space that is taken up on a 2D surface. They've looked at perimeter before, distance around an object, but area is very different. An area really connects to the multiplication they already worked on. It's good to see. Good to see. Thank you. Thank you. Please enjoy the show. Thank you.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mr. Clancy. So I'm going to do a little bit of math here. I'll kind of speak what's happening here. So I'm writing the word perimeter. You remember perimeter? Sorry, I'm getting used to using this pen. You remember perimeter. It's the distance around an object, the space around the carpet. So to count perimeter, I put a little X there so I remember where I started. One side, two side, three sides, four sides, five sides, six sides, seven sides, and eight sides. So the perimeter of that object is 8 squares, right? The distance all the way around was 8 squares perimeter all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to show you area. Area. Nope, area. Thank you. This pen, it's tough. Okay, so one piece, two piece, three pieces. So there's 3 squares. So the area of this object is 3 square units. Right? Same object. It was 8 squares around for the perimeter, but the area is only 3 units. 3 squares. Okay, so I took some food, and we're going to do the perimeter of it. These are crackers I found in my house. You could do the exact same thing. I found some square crackers. Figured this will work. So perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my perimeter was 16 units. The perimeter all the way around it equaled 16 units. Pretty cool? I thought so. Okay, well, that's great. The perimeter is 16 units, but I want to know, what's the area of this shape? So I count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, sorry, 14, 15, and 16. Well, that's crazy. The area is 16 square units. The perimeter is 16 units. It won't always work out that way, my friends, but in this case, the perimeter and the area are the same. That's probably because it's a perfect square. Ha, ha, ha. And you probably thought that, that was just some picture I found. No, that was my lunch. So I thought I'd show you the cheese now. So the perimeter of my cheese, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice I had to count the first one, right? So that I counted that very first one. That was important. So the first one was 1. So 10 pieces. The perimeter, I cannot spell on this. The perimeter of my cheese shape was a perimeter of 10 all the way around. 10 all around my cheese. Okay. And yet the area of my cheese shape, the area of my cheese shape, area, okay, it's pretty obvious. There's one piece of cheese, 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares, 6 squares. So the area of my cheese was 6 square units. Perimeter of 10, area of only 6 square units. 6. Hurley, no. Hurley, don't. Don't touch my cheese shape. It has an area of 6 units, Hurley. I said do not eat the cheese shape, Hurley. I'm trying to teach. Do you mind? Hurley. Okay, so my friend came along and ate a piece of my cheese shape. So now the perimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have a perimeter of 10, right? Still have a perimeter of 10. Perimeter stayed the same. It's kind of weird because we know what happened. My area, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 squares, 5 squares. I now have an area of 5 square units with a perimeter of 10. And I have a dog that eats my cheese. It's true. Okay, so you can do this with your own food at home right now. These are, I don't know, cheese squares or something. Yeah, grab whatever. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My perimeter here is 8. 8 pieces all the way around. Awesome. And if I wanted to look at the area, again, you could do this at home yourself. I only needed 4 pieces because there's only 4 square units. It has an area of 4 square units. 2 times 2, actually, if you look at it, eh, guys? Ha ha ha. Okay, this next one, ooh, it looks like Super Mario Brothers, kind of, eh? Okay, perimeter. It's a big perimeter, probably because there's a lot of corners. So I'll write the 1 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, good catch. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, you got that corner there. 14, 15, 16. The perimeter of this shape is the same as the other one we saw, but this isn't a square, so the perimeter is 16. Same perimeter, a lot less area. Okay, let's make these cheese squares Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its, that's what they're called. Let's find out the area of my little Super Mario Cheez-Its here. Okay, area of 10. Let's prove it. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. My little Cheez-It Super Mario thing here has an area of 10 square units.
This is my YouTube channel. If you can make an area with some food at home, then please send me a picture of your perimeter and your area. Your perimeter and your area. Use food. Use your floor. Use something to show me